Homestall. I done my schoolwork. It's snow day. Snowball. That was a lovely chocolate. Welcome everybody back to my channel. We are baking lemon drizzle cake. These are the ingredients you will need: sugar, flour, butter, lemon, eggs and baking powder. For the drizzle you need water, a bit of sugar and some lemon. Preheat the oven to 180°C. Oh, I forgot one ingredient. We need milk as well. Put the eggs, sugar, butter in the bowl. Sloppy the slop. It's slopped as thing. Whoa! I got slipped out. I got snowed out. Oh. Oh. Crack it open. Whoa. I wash my hands for that. Get your adult to zest the lemons. Thanks, adult. Bit stuck there. I don't like melon. Now cream these ingredients together. Now put the flour and the milk into the mixture. Now give it a mix until it's smooth. I need to use this mixture to do for the other one. Now it's lovely and smooth. Getting into the oven is really hard as well. Really sticky. Get your adult to line a cake tin. Now scoop the mixture. Put the cake in the oven for 50 minutes. While it's baking, I'm gonna take some of my friends. When it's out of the oven, prickle with the skewer. Get your adult to squeeze the lemons, add to sugar. The adult warm the sugar and the lemon up. Now drizzle the syrup. While it's cooling down, it will soak in the sponge. Grab that banana and smash the like button. Merch is coming out soon. Goodbye, everybody.